Hi guys, this is Priyank and I'm going to teach you how to find buyers in USA, Canada, Australia using LinkedIn. So let me teach you how to find buyers in USA, Australia and Canada using LinkedIn. Create LinkedIn account, set up profile. Now I will show you directly the practical implementation of how to set up profile and how to find buyers using LinkedIn. So let me show you the practical implementation of how to find customers, manufacturers, suppliers on LinkedIn. So yeah, if you don't have account, just type on Google LinkedIn sign up. You will directly redirect to sign up link and just fill 2-3 information, email ID and phone number, and then it will create one profile, and just like this profile will be created which looks professional in the worldwide. So just put one professional pic here so that if buyers, suppliers comes to it, manufacturers come to it, they likes it. Also put your description here, what you do, what business you have, put your position here, put your education, put your skills here. Also ask for recommendation if you have already have customers. And yes, so let me show you how to find customers on LinkedIn in USA, Australia and Canada. So first, in search bar you can type USA exports. And change the location here to USA and apply. So you will see few connections here, like I see very less. So let me show you some. These are not allowed to me, but it will be allowed to you. Maybe you can check Canada exports. Yeah, so here I can see that few people I can add already. See that you can directly send a connection like this, done, send request. You can check his profile if it's useful. When they add you, you can message him professionally and you can discuss your opportunities worldwide. Likewise, you can see food manufacturing, distribution, connect here, execution, many suppliers, buyers, all professional companies are here. So you can directly message him, add him, but remember one thing, just add 2 or 3 or 4 people per day. If you add many people, LinkedIn will block you. Now I'll show you Australia as well. You can change here location Australia and apply. So you can see here one connection, you can directly connect it. When she will add me, I will message her. Similar like you can do so many suppliers. You can see so many, but we will send only few, 2-3 done for today. So likewise you can send, connect, add a note to message and then send a request professionally. So this was a practical implementation of how to leverage LinkedIn opportunities worldwide, find buyers, suppliers, manufacturers worldwide in USA, Canada and Australia. So thanks for watching my videos. If you have any query related to video, you can put in the comment box directly and ask me. I will directly reply to your videos, and also hope you like my valuable content. I will be producing more valuable content in every week. And also
Please subscribe my channel so that you will get more valuable content every week, and you will learn free of cost using this channel. If you are a manufacturer, supplier, or any company, you can learn from this video. So just subscribe, and thank you. Meet you next week.